Have you noticed Ozempic popping up everywhere? From celebrity weight loss rumors to diabetes management, this drug has taken the spotlight. But is it really the miracle treatment some claim it to be? Whether you're considering Ozempic for weight loss, diabetes, or just curious about the hype, this video will break down everything you need to know, how it works, its benefits, risks, and even its off-label uses. Stay tuned because there's more to Ozempic than meets the eye. All right, let's get into it. Ozempic is a prescription medication with the generic name Semaglutide. It was originally developed to help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar levels, but recently it's gained massive attention for its off-label use in weight loss. It belongs to a class of drugs called GLP-1 receptor agonists, which mimic a natural hormone in your body that helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. So, how does Ozempic actually work? Here's the simple version. It does three big things in your body. First, it tells your pancreas to release insulin when your blood sugar is high. Second, it reduces the sugar your liver makes so there's less floating around in your bloodstream. And third, it slows down digestion, making you feel full for longer. This combo is why it's effective for both diabetes control and weight loss. It stabilizes blood sugar and naturally cuts down how much you eat. Now, what is Ozempic actually used for? The official answer: type 2 diabetes. The reality: a lot of people are using it for weight loss, even though it's not technically FDA approved for that purpose. There's another version of the same drug called Wegovy, which is approved for weight management. But because Ozempic and Wegovy work the same way, many doctors prescribe Ozempic off-label for weight loss. And that's what's causing all the buzz. Ozempic is super easy to take. It's a once-a-week injection using a small, pre-filled pen. You inject it under the skin, usually in your stomach, thigh, or upper arm. The dose starts low and increases over time to help your body adjust. And don't worry, it's designed to be pretty painless, even if you're not a fan of needles. So, why are so many people talking about Ozempic? Here's why. It lowers blood sugar for people with type 2 diabetes. It helps with weight loss, sometimes a lot of it. It's convenient. One injection per week instead of daily pills. And it may lower the risk of heart disease for some people with diabetes. That's a lot of benefits from one little shot. But, of course, there are side effects. The most common ones? Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach pain, which usually get better as your body adjusts. However, there are also some significant risks to be aware of. Thyroid tumors, there's a warning about this, though it's mostly based on animal studies. Pancreatitis, which is inflammation of the pancreas and can be serious. And kidney issues, especially if nausea and vomiting lead to dehydration. That's why talking to your doctor before starting Ozempic is super important. Now, let's talk about the big question. Is Ozempic safe for weight loss? Technically, Ozempic isn't approved for weight loss, but a lot of people still use it for that. And because of its growing popularity, some diabetic patients are struggling to get their prescriptions filled. If you're thinking about using it purely for weight loss, it's worth asking your doctor about Wegovy, which is the same drug but made specifically for weight management. Ozempic isn't for everyone. It may not be suitable for you if you have a family history of thyroid cancer, type 1 diabetes, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Make sure to go over your medical history with your doctor before considering Ozempic. So, final thoughts: is Ozempic worth it? It's an amazing option for diabetes control, and for some people it's a game changer for weight loss. But it's not a magic fix. You still need to eat right and stay active. Plus, it comes with risks that you need to be aware of. If you're thinking about trying it, talk to your doctor first. If you made it this far, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Also, let me know in the comments, have you or someone you know tried Ozempic? What was your experience? Let's talk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.